So let's say some of the photos are important, but you don't want them to actually be there in your home page or for immediate access. In that case, what you can actually do is archive out the photos. So to do that, you can go ahead and select out the photos right here that you want to archive, just like this. And then once that is done, you can actually go around over here onto plus, and then go around over here onto not plus, but click on the three dot button, and here you can see that archive is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, those particular photos are archived, meaning they are not deleted, but they are actually hidden from your main viewport right here. But you can actually go around onto archive section and then view those photos right here, just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see. And then this is how you can view the archive photos, just like any other regular photos, just like this. And if you want to unarchive it, then you can simply go around over here and then click on the three dot button, and then you can simply go ahead and then unarchive it out right there, just like that as well. And that is how you can go ahead and archive and unarchive photos inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.